She whispers of bygone eras, cycles of loss. Are you ready for global prosperity in 2025? Are you aware of how inflation impacts your returns and limits the growth of your wealth in the current economic landscape? High-level investors and entrepreneurs across the globe are already diversifying their portfolios beyond borders, protecting their assets and seeking superior returns in global markets. Awaken your ambition and recognize that today's financial challenges demand solutions that transcend national boundaries. Successful professionals actively seek strategies that operate on a global scale to optimize their investments and businesses. Financial success in a globalized world requires sophisticated strategies that transcend geographical limitations, such as the intelligent application of international tax treaties to optimize the fiscal management of your wealth. Utilize your pursuit of superior financial results on a global scale as a starting point. The key lies in how you strategically position your assets and businesses within this international financial environment. Leveraging the competitive advantages offered by different economies, such as more favorable tax regimes or access to markets with growing demand for high-quality products and services. The solutions to your most ambitious financial goals can be found in an interconnected global market filled with opportunities for those who possess the strategic knowledge to explore them. The decision to take the next step to transform your financial future is yours. Explore specific methodologies to optimize your investments in foreign markets. Leveraging investment opportunities in sectors with strong growth potential and utilizing sophisticated financial instruments to manage risks effectively. Resolve your most complex financial challenges with personalized solutions adapted to the international environment. We want to understand your priorities. Understand how to overcome the regulatory, cultural, operational obstacles of investing and doing business globally with the support of experts and strategic information. Join an exclusive network of investors and entrepreneurs with a global vision. Connect with experienced professionals who are already achieving significant results in the international market and share a commitment to financial excellence. We present an innovative methodology for wealth management on a global scale. Discover a new paradigm for building and protecting your wealth globally. Overcoming the limitations of traditional approaches and exploring unique opportunities in markets with high return potential for sophisticated investors. Elevate your financial aspirations within the context of an increasingly integrated world. The international financial market offers unique opportunities for those who possess the vision, knowledge, and the right strategy to capitalize on them. The potential for global wealth growth is vast and offers customized solutions for individuals and companies. Seeking above-average results? Connect with other individuals who share your pursuit of financial freedom and wealth growth in a global context. Leaders and investors around the world are actively seeking innovative solutions and unconventional strategies to optimize their financial results. Explore the numerous high-yield investment opportunities available in international markets. From strategic allocation in global capital markets to investment in private equity and venture capital in companies with disruptive potential, we offer a transformative framework for you to achieve your global prosperity goals. Develop a personalized and effective strategy that operates without the restrictions of a single market, allowing your capital to grow consistently and rapidly through intelligent investments and the expansion of your businesses to the international stage. How do you envision your wealth growing in an international scenario? With the flexibility to operate in various currencies and access a diverse range of assets with high appreciation potential, accept the challenge of elevating your financial approach to a global level. It's time to adopt a strategic perspective on how capital can generate exponential returns in a globalized market. Through the creation of scalable businesses with international reach and selective investments in high-growth sectors, it's time for you to access insights and methodologies that allow your capital to work efficiently in different economies. Taking advantage of exclusive arbitrage opportunities and favorable currency dynamics, begin your global financial journey now. Share your primary international financial goal. The global potential cutting-edge strategies. The moment is now. There is a distinct mindset that drives financial success in the global market. Do you still believe that conventional investment approaches limited to your domestic market are sufficient to generate the wealth you aspire to in an ever-evolving and globalized economic environment? Are you ready to adopt a new perspective? Connect your strategic vision with the vast investment and business opportunities that the international landscape offers. Imagine expanding your investments into markets with high growth rates and more. Favorable regulations for experienced investors. Develop your expertise in capital allocation and asset management in different economies. Utilizing advanced financial instruments to mitigate risks and maximize returns in a global context. Discover the methodologies and data that successful global investors use to identify high-yield opportunities in innovative sectors and disruptive markets, often before they become widely recognized. The pursuit of financial excellence, privileged information, the future of your wealth. Participate in an analysis that impacts visionary individuals across all continents. Analysis of global markets, refined investment strategies, the power of specialized knowledge. Dynamic global markets and wealth generation opportunities await those with the vision and knowledge to identify them. The path to global financial freedom, strategic insights, your competitive advantage. Use language that inspires action and reflects the mindset of a global investor. High-impact strategies, personalized financial solutions, the next level of your journey. Our focus is on strategic international investments and high-value-added global businesses for individuals and companies seeking significant returns. Your next step towards global prosperity, actionable insights, the key to your financial success. Comment below with your most ambitious financial goals in the global market and what complex challenges you seek to overcome to achieve your results. Share this analysis with your peers and collaborators who seek to expand their financial horizons internationally and implement strategic solutions for their challenges. With practical insights for you to reach Phase 2 of global financial prosperity, subscribe to our channel and activate notifications to access exclusive content about strategic investments and high-value-added businesses on a global scale. Like this analysis, if you recognize the potential of the international financial market to leverage your results and achieve your most challenging financial goals, follow our profile to gain valuable insights into the international financial market and how you can implement sophisticated strategies to optimize your wealth and businesses. Transformation is within your reach. Specialized knowledge, your global financial future begins now. This is your starting point for a journey of global financial success, with strategic and personalized solutions for your most ambitious goals. Next video, unveiling Phase 2, the strategic framework for global prosperity and the optimization of your wealth.